Hello there, everybody. Hello. All right, a very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Amrul Haq, and welcome to the Pelican Cove for the Pelican Chit Chat. All right, today we are going to be feeding these beautiful birds and sharing some interesting information about them along the way. Now, right there is my beautiful friend Putri, and she will be helping me to feed the pelicans today. So, everyone, say hi to Putri. Right, now pelicans are a group of large water birds that can be found along coasts of oceans and fresh water systems across the world. Their particular traits are its long beak and large throat bone that they use to catch prey. Okay, there are a total of 8 species of pelicans in the world, and there are 6 species of pelicans right here at Jurong Bird Park. So let me just ask all of this. How many species of pelicans are there in the world?
8.
8, okay. And how many species of pelicans are there in Jurong Bird Park?
6.
6, okay, that is right. Okay, the reason why I'm asking you all these questions is because at the end of this chit-chat session, I'll be asking you more questions, and if you answer them correctly, we will have something special just for you. So do listen carefully throughout this chit-chat session. Now let us begin with the largest and the rarest species of pelican, and that is the Dalmatian pelican, Pelicanus crispus. Okay, Putri is trying to feed one. The white one there, Putri? Ah, the one on the rocky surfaces right there. Okay, 1, 2, 3. There's 3 of them, right? 3 of them there. Those are our pelicans from Dalmatian pelicans. Okay, Dalmatian pelican lives in freshwater lakes and rivers across Eastern Europe. They are the rarest species of pelicans, and unfortunately, population number have been declining across this range due to overfishing. Now, its wingspan from wingtip to wingtip can measure up to 3 meters long. Okay, if you are wondering how long is 3 meters, it's from this metal beam over here to the other metal beam. Alright, that is how large they can grow up to. And their distinguishing feature are its curly feathers on its tail. Can you see the curly feathers? Ah, the same curly feathers as Putri. Putri, show your feathers. Alright, okay, we are also proud to say that we have been successful in breeding these endangered species. Okay, now let us go to Africa, where you can find 2 other species of pelicans. Here we have the great white pelican, the Pelicanus ornamentalis, and the pigback pelican, Pelicanus rufus. Okay, Putri shall be showing you which is the great white pelican. Ah, right there in the middle. Okay, the whole flock right there. Those are the great white pelican. Okay, if you take a look at their plumage, it is not purely white, and it's a little bit pinkish, don't you think? Right, this is why this water bird is also known as the roseate pelican. On the other hand, the pigback pelican gets its name by the patch of pink feathers on its back. And Putri is trying to, the one on the railing right there, and the one at the extreme right, that is the pigback pelican. You can actually see a patch of pink right there. That is nice. Okay, now here in Asia we have the spot-billed pelicans. Okay, spot-billed pelican, Putri, go. Alright, you see all the ones on the railings there? Okay, these are all the spot-billed pelicans. If you take a closer look at their bills, you can see spots on them. Okay, that is why they are named spot-billed pelicans. Okay, they can be found from Pakistan all the way across to Indonesia. And they are the only species of pelican that will nest high up on trees. So if you walk around Jurong Bird Park and you see pelicans on trees, those are most probably our spot-billed pelicans. Okay, now let us dive deeper to the land down under, where you can find the most beautiful species of pelican, and that is the Australian pelican. Okay, anyone here from Australia by any chance? Alright, so, ma'am, do you know which is the Australian pelican? No, you don't. All of them look the same. Alright, so, let me just show you which is the Australian pelican. The one with the black That's not the Australian pelican, that's water. Alright. Where is it, Putri? Right there. The one with the black feathers. The one just went up to the rocky surface. Yeah, those are the Australian pelican. Also known as the spectacle pelicans, because if you check it at their eyes, they have rings around them, right? Okay, the male Australian pelican have the longest bill in the entire bird world. It's almost 2 feet long, which is equivalent to 60 centimeters, right? Okay, now, 3. Where shall we go? North America. Okay, North America, we have 2 other species of pelicans here. We have the brown pelican and the American white pelican. Okay, let me just talk about the brown pelican. The brown pelican is among the smallest species of pelican, alright? But you cannot find the brown pelican here at the Pelican Cove. He was transferred. He was here at Rumberg Park in a while, but then he was transferred to Germany, to France, to have to meet some partner for them to meet. Yeah, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so there's a model of a brown pelican right here. They will soar about 10 to 30 feet above water, and once they spot fish, they will dive deep into the water to catch its fish. Okay, the brown pelican is the only species of pelicans, it's one of the only species of pelicans that will dive for its fish. Okay, followed by the Peruvian pelican. The characteristics of brown pelican is that it has a brown colored body. Alright? Okay, now let's talk about the American white pelican. It can also be found in North America, and it can be found in coastal and inland waters. Alright, Putri, is the American white pelican here? Yeah? Oh, at the jetty. Okay, where's the jetty? Jetty there, right? Okay, since someone's beach shy today, but not to worry. After this beach chat session, we'll be going over to the jetty and we can show you which is the American white pelican. It's very easy to spot. It has orange bill, orange feet, and very white body. Right? That is why I call the American white pelican. Okay. One unique feature about pelicans are their large throat pouch, and in addition to their long bills, these pouches are essential for feeding. Okay, the pelican's pouch may not be very visible right now, but everyone, get your cameras ready and we're about to throw lots of fish into the tank so you look out for the pelicans. Okay, the fish thrower, are you ready? Okay, are all of you here ready? You all don't sound ready. Are all of you ready? Yes. Alright, on the count of 3, 1, 2, and 3. Now let's see some action. Wow! See how elastic that the pouches go? Any more? One more?
Yeah, one more.
Okay, do all of you want to see it one more time?
Yes.
Yes. Putri, you want to do it one more time? Oh no, there's only a bit of pelicans left in the tank, but not to worry. Putri will try her best. Okay, Putri? Alright, everybody on the count of 3 together with me, right? 1, 2, and 3! Okay, that's one. Not bad! Wow! See how deep it goes? Okay, not too bad for just a minimal amount of pelicans, alright? Okay, pelican pouches they are so elastic that they can stretch and hold up to 13 liters of water. 13 liters of water is equivalent to 40 cans of soft drinks. Anyone here can drink up to 40 cans of soft drinks? No, only pelicans are able to do that. They will drain out the water out of the bills before swallowing the fish. Okay, I hope all of you have been listening because it is now question and answer time. So if you think you know the right answer, raise up your hand and get my attention. Because if you do get it right, you will receive you will receive this break over here. Anyone wants this break? Nobody wants a break. Okay, I'm just kidding. You are going to receive a handstand right here. Wow, handstand. Okay, what can this handstand do? It will entitle you to a packet of fish for you to feed the pelicans at the jetty after the chit-chat session. Everybody okay? Alright, okay. So now for my first question, can anyone tell me which is the largest species of pelican? Anyone know? Okay, do you know, sir? Dalmatian pelican. That is correct, sir. It is indeed the Dalmatian pelican. Good job. Okay, now for the second question. Can anyone tell me which is the smallest species of pelican? Yes, do you know? Brown pelican, are you sure? Not the blue pelican. Brown. That is correct. It is indeed the brown pelican. Good job. Okay, now for my last question, it's gonna be a little bit tricky, but I'm just gonna give up to the kids, okay? Right, can any of the kids tell me where can the Australian pelicans be found? Yeah, let me repeat again, right? Where can the Australian pelicans be found? Anyone, any kids, do you know? Australian pelicans from Australia, are you sure? That is correct, it is indeed from Australia. Good job! Okay, we're going to give a round of applause to the winners of the day. Okay, for those of you who have the handstand, do follow us to the jetty and you'll get yourself a fish. And for those of you who do not have handstand, but would still like to feed the pelicans, you may do so for a contribution of $2 Singapore dollars, alright? Please bring the exact amount as we do not have any change in hand. Okay, what's going to happen at the jetty is that we're going to give you the fish for you to feed the pelicans. There's going to be hand sanitizers for you to wash your hands after you're done. And there's also going to be gloves for you to handle the fish. All is done at the jetty. Do from a queue before you proceed to purchase your fish. Okay? And the next feeding session will be at the waterfall. Next feeding session will be at the waterfall area. It starts at 2:30 p.m. Just follow the main road and we will lead you straight there. Right, I hope all of you have a good day here at Jurong Bird Park. Thank you so much and goodbye everybody. Bye.